Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson and welcome to WDT Media TV. And remember to please like, share and subscribe to our channel, WDT Media TV Dudley Thompson. And remember, we're going to show persons who appreciate our channel our appreciation. So very shortly, we're giving away credit with phone cards to your cell phone. So please like, share and subscribe and click on the alert button. So as soon as the video is uploaded, you could first check out and win credit to your cell phone. So again, hit that alert button. We're back here at Smith Lane. We have been told that work is on to repair roads in the community, but work is yet to start here on Smith Lane. It's now on Hill Avenue, Olympic Way, but very shortly we're hoping that the work would reach around Smith Lane, because this area has been like this for close to or more than 20 years. This is Smith Lane. We're just hoping that repair work will reach Smith Lane sooner rather than later. We're back here at Hill Avenue. Last time we showed you, they were constructing sidewalks, but now they're not doing the roadway. As you can see, repaired Hill Avenue as we speak. The sidewalks have been constructed already, and the work is on to repair Hill Avenue, the entire roadway. And it's not too far from Smith Lane, about a minute away. You can see the entire Hill Avenue work is taking place. And the sidewalk as well, as you can see. Hill Avenue heading into Olympic Way. So work is on. Sidewalk, there you see, just newly constructed. There's in a Lucky now, a mason on the job here at Hill Avenue. Working on the sidewalk. They call him Lucky. Put on the finishing touch. It's called sidewalk marking and grooving. Yeah, see the rendering now. Yeah. We're back here at the gully along Olympic Way behind Colleen Court. Last time we came here, we saw SETI in the gully. You can see they're now all gone. So the SETI we saw in this gully some time ago, as you can see, they're no longer here. We are now approaching the polling station. It's under construction. See there in the background. It's located along Olympic Way at the intersection of Olympic Way and Bay Farm Road. The perimeter wall is still under construction, as you can see. Here at the station, as you can see, it's still a work site by the entrance. Still work taking place on the outside of the facility. Work is still ongoing on the inside. As you can see, it's still there, a work in progress. Lots of work needs to be done on the facility. We on the outside. And not much work has done to the perimeter wall beside the Olympic Gardens Health Center, as you can see. Last time we were here. And remember to please like, share and subscribe. And again, we're going to show our appreciation for the persons who appreciate our channel by giving away free phone cards in videos coming soon. So remember, please like, share and subscribe and hit that notification button. We want to be notified when there's free phone cards given away. We are back here at Olympic Way and College Road. We showed this wall earlier at the Bethel Bible Way Basic School. Let me show you this wall, the huge crack in the wall. Nothing has done so far. And you can see the huge crack. We can literally look through the cracks and see the building that is inside through the cracks. That's how huge a crack is. You can see the building through the crack. In this wall. Hope you can see the lean in the wall here. You can see a lean there in the wall. There's a bin here Donated by Always Strong and Proud. And the bin is full to the brim. As you can see from the inside, the wall is tilted outwards. Here's the column, and look at the wall there tilting. There, look at the tilt, the lean in the wall, as you can see there. And here is a straight column where the crack is, and you can see the lean in there in the wall. Look at the lean, you can see lean in the wall, as you can see there, the lean. That's how dangerous the wall is. Just look at the lean there in the wall. Someone tried to do some repair work to the crack here, but only partially. Last time we came, this was not here. But look at the crack, look at above the partial work. Huge crack. In the wall. I'm Dudley Thompson for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. And again, thanks in advance. And as usual, thanks for watching.